Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the file manager. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create a local directory inside the file manager, or you can say that how you can create your own folder without the installation of WordPress, without adding the domain, and how you can manage that. So first I'm gonna open file manager, and I have made the subdomain with the name of tutorials.onlineITtuts.com. If you open that, and you will able to see your site is live, right? But I want to create a also folder inside the subdomain, so I'm going to show you the practically. I open public_HTML, and inside there have a tutorials, right? For example, I want to create a directory. Means what is the directory? After this one domain, like this one, I want to access the another website or upload another website inside the subdomain. I can do that. I'm going to show you with practically. I go to this one section. This is a path public_HTML/tutorial. This is your subdomain directory path. Inside there I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to write the folder name, for example Udemy, and write the click to create a new folder. So Udemy. Inside the Udemy I want to upload my another website, like I'm going to show you the website, my resume, and this is my site, right? So the first thing is, I'm going to close all the tab without Cpanel. First thing, you need to select all the files, right click it and send to compress, and then you need to go on your particular directory and click to upload, and then you need to just drag and drop the particular. Okay, sorry for that. What happened? Okay, upload that, and I think, and you need to wait. Once the uploading will complete, then your site will be live on the domain subdomain, like this one, Udemy. This is your directory, right? And this is your subdomain. So let's see. Right, and click to go back, and right click it and click to extract, close, reload, and your site is live. Now I think we need to check that. Let's see. There we go, guys. So you have made the manual folder inside your particular directory, or inside any directory you want to create your own directory as you want, and you can use that to upload the static website. You can also use that to upload the dynamically website like PHP. I'm gonna show you on later. So I'm gonna close that. And other thing on there, for example, you want to edit any code inside the cPanel, you can do that. For example, I open index.html, I click on that. I am able to perform all the operations like copy the file, move the file, upload the file, download the file, delete the file. But I'm gonna use edit. You can also use HTML editor, but I'm gonna click to edit and click to edit also. Then you will able to see the editor like this one. So I'm gonna zoom it. I'm gonna use, and inside there I'm gonna change the things, like this is about, and this is a web developer. So I'm gonna change, but I'm gonna check there. I'm gonna copy this one name and press Ctrl F to find that, and I'm gonna change that to this one, and then I'm gonna click to save changes and refresh your site. Why I find that again this is available multiple times, so I just need to change that 3 times, so I need to again find that, so I need to change that and click to save changes. I think everything is clear. Let's see. There we go guys, Johnson. So you can use that to edit the code on the Cpanel. So I'm gonna close that, and then I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna open my public_HTML directory, right? And now I'm gonna open the tutorials, and I'm gonna show you another things that are help you to manage your site files and also folder. So this is a part of this one subdomain directory, like public_HTML _ tutorials. If you want to move the anyone file from this one path to public_HTML path, you can use that. You can do that. I'm going to show you in a minute. So I'm going to open where it is tutorials, this one. So let's see. I create a folder, for example moving, and just example create a folder moving, and I'm gonna select that and click to move, and this is your path, but I want to move this one on the anyone directory, but I will move that on my public_HTML path. So I'm gonna click to move files, and let's see it's appear or not. So as you can see, right? And also you can move the anyone file, anyone folder from anyone directory as you want. So let's see, for example I want to move this one Udemy to you can let's see, I create a file. Let's see where is a file, but I can't see on there the file, but you can use copy method to copy the file and paste on another directory. Let's see, I'm gonna create another folder. Let's see, as you can file, I'm gonna create a file like manage.php, right? Create a file, and this is my manage.php file. So I want to move that, I can do that, but this time I'm gonna use copy method or copy feature to copy the file. Copy file. Okay, just a minute. Copy and enter the path where we want to copy this one file. For example, I want to move this one file or copy this one file, will appear on my public_HTML folder. So I'm gonna click to move file, copy file. Let's see, and the manage, as you can see guys, this is the empty file. I'm gonna show you in a minute, as you can see, right? So this is the empty file. I'm gonna close that, also close that. So I think everything is clear on there, but I will teach you usage of the file manager to getting the data, and also checking your WordPress site database and many other things. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.